This new tool has been specifically designed to remove the large bush on the rear trailing arm of the Ford Mondeo Mark IV and other vehicles that share this platform. The job is carried out with the arm still on the vehicle, with just the forward end disconnected for access, and no further dismantling necessary. You don't even have to remove the road wheel or disturb the brakes. The tool is easily fitted, and its sturdy, high-quality construction makes both bush removal and replacement quick and easy. The location lug on the new bush is lined up with the cutout on the suspension arm. Then the tool is assembled ready to press in the new bush. A few minutes of reassembly and the job is done. A 3-hour job to do both sides? Not anymore, just under an hour from start to finish.